Hello friends, welcome to our channel LP Education. Today we are going to learn best speech on World Nature Conservation Day. Good morning everyone. Very warm welcome to respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. As we gathered here to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak a few lines about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July every year. It is celebrated to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources. It is also observed to make people understand the importance of the conservation of nature. The day highlights that a healthy environment is necessary for a stable and productive society. This day also ensures the safety of present and future generations. It is necessary to preserve it. It is necessary to create a healthy environment for our healthy growth. There are many threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution, plastics, chemicals, etc. Earth provides us basic necessities to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, etc. We should always keep our nature clean and healthy. Industrial development and many other things are also responsible for the depletion of nature. Due to natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, etc. It is important to raise awareness to understand the importance of saving, recycle, and preserve the resources. Thank you.